Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my monthly Boxycharm. So this is February's, of course, duh, obviously. And this is the base, this is the premium. So I'm going to just jump right on in. I don't remember if I chose anything or not. So I guess we'll see when I get in here. So right now I'm going to be opening up the base box. We have Boxycharm Be My Glamentine. And our first thing here is Saturday Skin. Let's looky and try to find this Saturday Skin thing here. Alright, I believe it is not... Why am I not finding it? Yep, it is. Oh my goodness. It's yellow with white writing, so it's kind of hard to see what it was saying. But this is a vitamin C bright eye cream. This goes for 30. It says Yuzu vitamin C bright eye cream, and it goes for $32. We have OPV Beauty loose setting powder. I have never heard of this company at all. It is $22, and I guess it's translucent. It doesn't say. Yep, never mind. It really does say. Read, Gail. It says translucent right on there. Duh. And if you guys see any fuzzies on me, this is what happens when you decide you want to wear a black sweatsuit with a gray cat around. Next, we have Clara's New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. Excited to try something like this. I don't believe I've heard of this company, but it has retinol, adaptogens, and arginine. List it right back in there. This goes for $24.99. Next, we have Alley Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. It's not something I'm going to probably use, so I might be giving this to somebody. But, yeah, like it says, it's a 4-in-1 makeup brush. This goes for $28. I can get it open. Okay, so the brush looks like this. It's got a sponge tip here, which I probably would never use. Like, this side's fine, but then you pop off, you don't pop it off, you unscrew it, and you have a little eyebrow brush. You can use that also to put your eyeshadow right close to your lash line, and then you kind of have like a little blending brush right there. So if you want to do a quick look, yeah, I guess this is a good thing to have, but I don't know. I mean, if you're like the minimalistic person, this would probably be perfect for you, especially if you don't use like foundation, you know, and you just use some concealer like some people do. I guess this would be fine. It seems a little hard and you don't wet it. So I don't know how much use I'll get out of that. Next, we have, and if you notice, I keep looking down. Like I said, I film in a room that is a spare bedroom, and it has a door here, and the cats go in and out because this is technically their room. And you heard a little meow. Go ahead, Peter. Next, we have, like I said, Bally Balm. It's a pineapple lip scrub. Good, especially during winter months. You know, get your dry, crusty lips. And with us wearing masks, we're definitely breathing in there, so everything's getting dried up. A lot of moisturization going on in there, so you have dry skin on your lips. It's good to have this. It is $23, and it says it is a new launch. So pretty good. That was it for my base box. Next is my premium. Alrighty. And again, same kind of card, you know, Be My Glamentine. We have a Huda. I do this every time when I say Huda Beauty. I can never say Huda Beauty. It's like a tongue twister to me. But we have Huda Beauty. It's the Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. It is $67. Let's open this up and see what the colors are. If I can get in here. I don't want to mess up my nails because I just did them. It is, never mind. You guys already told you what it was. And they're pretty colors. These are right in here. They have some neutrals and they have some little bright colors in there. Say hello to yourselves. Hello, hello. Right there. They're really pretty. Love it, love it. I don't think I have used any of her eyeshadows. And I mean, I don't even think I have. I'm going to be doing eventually more makeup. Not like tips or anything, but you guys will see what I'll be getting ready to go do. But I do have a couple things from Huda Beauty, but I don't think I've used them on camera yet. So we have Aceology next. Let's look for this. Aceology, and it is the Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Massager. I don't even know what this is. Oh, I think this I did pick. It's that little rose quartz stone that people use to rub in their serums and push out all the lymphatic fluid that's in your face. Fancy, fancy, and it comes with a little bag. This is what the packaging looks like if I didn't show you. Very adorable. And $45 is that. Next we have Christophe Robin. Yes, it does not say Christopher. It says Christophe Robin. Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. Right here. It's a leave-in mist. So I guess it's for, obviously, for your hair. Uplifting roots and fuller lengths. Interesting. We'll see. I don't mind. Hair thinning. Let's see what this can do. $39 for this. This is actually brand new to Boxycharm. So we have Moonlit. It's Moonlit, not Moonlight. Moonlit Makeup Primed for the Night. Where are we at with that? Alright, Primed for the Night. It is an eyeshadow primer. I don't usually use eyeshadow primers. I use good old concealer. I don't have any problems with things creasing or anything. My eyelids aren't oily. I'm more like on the drier side of skin type. So, and this is a new launch. This is no, it's not. It's $18. I don't know where I saw 3. Next, we have Vike Beauty Makeup Melts. Gentle oil-free makeup remover spray with skincare additives, clean and nourish. So you basically just spray this on your face and you just rub it on in and it melts up all of your face, basically like, you know, how you would use the Clinique take the day off or any other kind of balm that you would use to take off all of your makeup. So, and this here, I don't know if I remember saying, it is $24. It is brand new to, it's a new launch. Not new launch. It's a new brand to Boxycharm. Last but not least, we have Oma Beauty. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they say that this brand is in Walmart. I have yet to see this in any of the Walmarts around here. But I would love to try this brand's things. But this is a lip liner. It's brand new to Boxycharm. It is $16. And the color is Angelou. Let's do a quick little swatchy swatch. It's a nice little neutral brown. It's a stiffer pencil formula, which is okay. Just moisturize your lips before you put it on. So it's a nice little nude. And that is all I have in my Boxycharms for the month of February. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharms. If you've tried any of these things that are in the Boxycharm that I have this month, let me know how you like it. If you don't like it, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.